Welcome to Catherine Paint. Today I am going to use this little 8x10 that I have put push pins behind to keep it off the side. And we are going to use the ready mixed pouring paint. And I am doing a really quick sunset inspired ribbon pour. So I had a little bit of paint left over from a previous pour that are these same colors that I want to use. So just going to go over them real quick. The bright red, bright yellow, aqua green, bright blue, phthalo blue, and a little bit of violet. So I think it'll be fun just to do a ribbon pour with this and see if I can get something that resembles like sunset colors so I can do a silhouette painting on top of it, embellish it. So just gonna layer these in here. It needs to be up to the top. So I need about 3 ounces of paint. All right, I guess it'd be better if I stood up. I'm just being lazy, just sitting here. All right. Okay, I'm just gonna go back and forth. See if I can get some pretty good coverage here. All right, start moving it around a little bit. All right. Okay. Making sure my sides are covered. All right. Actually, I think this will work pretty good. I missed a spot right there, didn't I? I think this will work pretty good for what I was going for. So, just gonna try to embellish it. With some silhouette. So I think this would make a pretty cool painting for embellishing. We'll see. We'll see how it dries, but these dry pretty well. All right, well, let me know what you think. And I'll be back with the dried results. Sorry about that. All right, be right back. All right, let's check out the dried results. The colors are very vibrant, and it really does look like a sunset to me. I haven't decided whether I'm going to embellish it or not. You guys let me know what you think. If I should like put some dark silhouette on it to define that it's a sunset, or do you like it just free the way it is? So I'm loving those colors right there. These paints are an odd combination of crisp and blendy. So they do blend in some areas, which is really nice, and then they're crisp in other areas. So I think it's a really nice feature of them. And they dry really glossy. See if you can see how glossy that is. So they have the reflection. And it has not been 24 hours. So, all right, guys, there it is. Let me know what you think. Should I or should I not embellish? Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.